Hey, what's up, guys? Crypto Moses here. Just kind of want to rock and roll with a brand new video for you guys to kind of talk to you guys about this platform called TradingView that I use and how I use it and how I do my easy technical analysis on different cryptocurrencies. So let's just jump right in. As you guys can see up here on my top left, I have Bitcoin. I also have Ethereum. I have the Polkadot and Chainlink. You guys if you if you guys purchase this and get the I think it's the pro version of TradingView, you actually get access to the 4 chart meter. Again, it's not necessary, right? If you want, you can just like go out of different tabs, right, and get your chart. But if you kind of want to have like that professional look, and if you're really trading, all day, every day, then you're definitely gonna want to, be able to see all four of your, four, different currencies or 8 different currencies. It's kind of gets crazy. There's like, what is that, 8? Yeah. So there is a big chart. But yeah, it's a really nice platform. I don't really go crazy into the whole like drawing lines. I would call myself fairly new when it comes to the data analysis, but I would really like you guys to listen up on how I use these different indicators, these different graphs, and kind of go through a little, uh, you know, explanation on how to use it if you guys ever choose to. So, like I said, this is Bitcoin, and this is the Bitcoin number right now. We're not going to really go into any type of analysis right now. I kind of just want to speak about the fundamentals to this platform. So, as you guys can see, the big Bitcoin price is here. Obviously, if I go in another box, this changes. This is the watch list. You guys can actually choose the different stocks or cryptos that you guys want to, put up on your watch list. Again, here are the prices. This is the date. You guys can choose between candles, line, area, baseline, a lot of different, bars and indicators. They also have a large list of different indicators that you guys can choose from, right? If you guys don't know, you actually can get awesome indicators too from from this platform. I don't want to go into it right now, guys. I just want to kind of scheme through. So anyway, yeah, it's a great platform. The indicators that I have here are quite specific. Okay, so let's kind of go into a one screen so I can kind of break down these indicators, what I use these indicators for, and most important, why I have this indicator and how I trade or how I buy or sell Bitcoin specifically. Okay, so this indicator for me, guys, is strictly about the short term and long term, and not even a buy sell ideology, just more of a trend type of ideology as far as the market is concerned, right? As you guys can see, I have these different indicators here. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I am just going to block out some of these indicators so that you guys can actually see what they look like and what they're doing. So, yeah. Again, I found these different indicators online. Some you have to pay for, but obviously, as you guys can see, these moon indicators are showing a moon in price. So as you guys can see, there's a moon in price here, going up, very strong support there. So, but again, as far as Bitcoin is concerned right now, I mean, it really is not as supportive as I want it to be. I would love Bitcoin to be at a point where it's like 50K now, but it looks like we're just going to kind of hang out at this 30,000, 40,000, I don't even know what you call it. It's just like a handlebar. We're just going to kind of sit right there for a couple weeks, at least until February, and then we might see a nice pump. But I don't want to get into my data analysis. I don't want to get into any technical analysis. I just want to show you guys the platform that I use, TradingView, which I do pay for. I do pay for the subscription. So, I mean, you know, if you guys want to pay for it, whatever. But if you're gonna want to get dirty, you know, you're gonna have to start investing in this kind of stuff, because even if, like, for example, no, I'm not trading on this platform. No, I mean, I only pay for this platform because I want to be able to see 4 different crypto charts, just in case, you know, something does happen, and I don't want to miss it. You know, I really don't want to miss it. That's the thing about crypto, you know. But thanks for watching this video, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Appreciate it. Peace.